Squawk by Nicole Walker, illustrated by Mike Gordon. Squawk, squawk. Mara wanted her parrot to talk and say real words, but all Paco did was squawk. Squawk, squawk. Do you want an apple? Mara asked. Say apple. Paco looked at the apple, but all he did was squawk. Squawk. No, Mara said. Say apple. Paco looked at Mara and ate the apple. Paco didn't say apple. All he did was squawk louder. Squawk, squawk. No, 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 shouted Mara. I told you to say apple. Then Mara picked up a bell. Paco got excited. He fluttered around and fluffed up his feathers. Do you want to play with the bell? Mara asked. Say bell. Ding, ding. Paco looked at Mara and pecked at the bell. He didn't say bell. All he did was squawk again. Squawk! Mara was not happy. No, no, she yelled. I told you to say bell. Ding, ding. Squawk, squawk! But all Paco did was squawk louder and louder and louder. He didn't say any words. No, 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 Mara yelled louder, and she shook the bell again and again. Then Mara's mom came into the den. Did you teach the parrot to talk? Can he say real words now? She asked. No, cried Paco. No, no, no.